Welcome to Djibouti, a small desert nation with one of the strongest currencies in Africa. Djibouti uses the Djiboutian franc, a currency that has stayed remarkably stable for decades, thanks to its long-time peg to the US dollar. The notes celebrate Djibouti's culture and history. 40 franc, fishing boats and the Red Sea. 250 franc, nomadic life and traditional huts. 500 franc, Lake Assal, one of the saltiest lakes on earth. 1,000 franc, modern Djibouti city and its iconic port. Every note reflects the nation's blend of sea, desert, and trade. But here's the surprising truth. Djibouti is one of the most strategically important countries on the planet. The US, China, France, Japan, and Italy all have military bases here. This tiny nation controls one of the world's busiest shipping routes. Small but powerful, Djibouti's currency and location tell a story of global importance. Want all Djibouti franc notes in a PDF? Check the description and the pinned comment.